Hi, welcome to this course. In this particular video course, I've tailored it to suit both the intermediate and the beginners traders, those who do not have an edge in the forex market. Now, this wonderful particular strategy is one of the best strategies that I've used to make money in the financial market. In fact, if you're looking to get a sniper entry anytime you enter a trade, this particular strategy is one that you don't want to joke with, right? So before I share my screen, I want to tell you, in order to encourage me to do more of this type of video, what you need to do is just like this video, subscribe if you've not already done so, and make sure you share this video. In that aspect, I will be so encouraged to do more advanced videos like this that can help you scale up your trading, whether you're a technical analysis trader or you are a smart money or ICT trader. I have them covered for you. And you don't want to miss out on any of my video, make sure you turn on the bell notification so that whenever I drop good video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified, right? What is an order block? But before I explain that, I've got that cover for you on the screen. So let me share my screen. While I'm explaining, I'll also be pointing them out for you directly on the chat. So let's go. So welcome to my screen. What is an order block? An order block is an area where institutions make order from, right? If you look at the name order block, what does it mean? Order block, an area or destination where both buyers or sellers are taking order from, right? If that region is a buying region, right, it means that particular region is a demand zone, and if it is a sell region, it means that region is a supply zone. Now we have characteristics of an order block. How do you locate an order block? Now let me show it to you on the screen. Remember we said it is an area where institution makes order from. Now how do you see things like that? If you look at this particular movement, you will see that we have a buying momentum here. So there is an area where this market, where this impulse originated from, which is this area. You see that? So this area here is another block, right? So anytime price come back to this area, there's a tendency that this spike that happened will happen again. So this area is what we call an order block. But is it all area that is an order block? No. That is the reason I'll be sharing with you the characteristics and how to mark your area as an order block. You don't mark any area because of you see a movement like that. And this particular criteria will help you identify or differentiate another block from just a support and a resistance. Number one, an order block must create imbalance. When we talk of imbalance, this is an imbalance. Did you see that? The moment we have this push to the upside, all this green candle you see here is an imbalance, meaning that price haven't come back here to what balance this market. Now I need to understand the function of what price in forex trading. Number one, market is either looking to take out liquidity or to fill imbalance. So whenever you see push like this, there is an imbalance in that region. Here too, there's an imbalance here, right? Even this sell, there was an imbalance, right? So whenever you see this significant push, price has left you with an imbalance. So that area where that push came from is regarded as what? An order block. So stay with me. Number two characteristics that you can use to identify another block is another block must not be mitigated, which is number two. It must not be mitigated. Now I want to talk about mitigation. Now meaning that price mustn't have come back to that zone yet, right? The moment price comes back to that zone and mitigate that zone, that means that price, that particular area is no more another block, right? Let's say this is our other block, and the moment price come back into here, right? So it has mitigated the other block. So that zone has been filled up. So we don't have another block in that area again, right? So you want to make sure you are looking for an area where price have not been what? Mitigated. Now this brings us to number three. Just stay with me. I'll be showing you more example. Number three is must lead to a break of structure. Now if you look here, do we have a break of structure here? Yeah, we have a break of structure. From here to here, we have a break of structure. Did you see that? So if you look here, this is the last red candle that formed, right? And before this green candle took over. So here is your order block. Now you're going to draw that red candle from here. You're going to put and draw it to this level. You can see the moment price came back into that zone, mitigated it, what happened? Boom. Now in order for us to identify here as an order block, it must have created a break of structure, right? You can see. So here, when price came, it broke this structure, meaning it created another higher high. Did you see that? And because of this imbalances that it has created, here is our order block. So in time past, if price come back here, you're going to experience such. You can see, boom, this also move above this, right? This is how you can recognize your order block zone. I'll be doing more of these in a later feature video. Now, the number 4th way you can identify another block is the candle must close below the previous candle. If you look here, this candle closed below this candle, right? Now this candle closed below here, you can see. Now what you want to do is you want to draw this zone out, right? And if price come in the nearest future, such thing is going to happen. Here is also another block because we have, remember one of the characteristics, price must give you what? A break of structure, and there must be an imbalance. Now here too we have a break of structure. Here also we have a break of structure, right? And where is the other block? This is the other block zone, right? So in future, if price should come back into this other block here, we will have a significant push to the upside. Why? Because other block shows you that price is moving upward. This is an uptrend market, right? But you want to look for that zone where buyers are residing. It is not all support or resistance that you can mark as a potential POI. This is how to recognize your point of interest, so that the moment you take a trade on this particular level, it's going to go directly into profit. Now this is how you can take sniper trades, especially if you understand how to mark up your order block. Very simple. Another block must create an imbalance. It must not be mitigated. It must lead to what? A break of structure, and the candle must close below the previous candle. Very smooth, right? Now this is another example here. You can see what happened here. You can see what happened. Price, this was another block. Boom, price created. As it came back, when price came back here, what happened? We had a push to the upside. Very smooth. Did you see that? You can also spot it even on a demand or supply zone. You can also spot them even on the supply zone, right? The moment price come back to that zone, it can happen, right? So let's take one or two more examples. Let's go to gold and see what is happening on gold. Boom. You can see what's happening here. Now I'm looking to take a trade here. This is a live trade. Now you can see this is my order block. I've drawn my order block here. I'm waiting for price to come here, which is right now. Price is here. You can see how the candle is reacting to this other block here. So what I'm trying to find is this last low that gave back to this high. So we have a break of structure here, right? So once I come to 15-minute time frame, there are ways you want to enter. You can enter in two ways, whether by aggressive entry or by conservative way of entry. The aggressive way of entry is by going in the moment you see a bullish engulfing candle formed here, right? That is one confirmation you'll be looking at for. Or you want to see a change in market structure, right? That is the confirmation you want to see. And this is how you can take good trade by just trading the order block. This particular course is in depth, and there are more to this. I'll be talking about mitigation block, and I'll be talking about breakout block in my next video. If you really want to see that video, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be doing that video just for you. So before that video comes up, I need you to take this video to like 100 likes. Let's push it out there, let people see it, because there are many more content that is still unfolding for us to drop here, and I want you guys to benefit from that content free of charge, right? I'll be seeing you in my elite video. Thank you for staying to this particular time, and make sure you watch this video all over again. Let's have conversation. Let me have your opinion about this video in the comment section, and the next video I want me to do, and that will be the next one you'll be seeing on your screen. Thank you, and stay blessed.